don't know. If you don't want the pick, you don't go come out time. You don't go come out time. Now which kind? Now to go keep you the suffer. Hey. Picky where people they fine. Oh. Now wow. This life no balance at all.
No balance.
See, pokey.
No balance.
Hey. Now wow.
Hello, what is going on here? I'm a police officer. What is going on here?
We saw this baby in this dustbin and we are scared to touch the baby.
You people are scared to... so who kept the baby? You just saw the baby here? Yes. And all of you grown-ups are just looking at the baby in a dustbin with this whole stench here? Come on, excuse me. Huh? So nobody saw who dropped this baby?
Nobody.
People can be very callous. People can be callous. How could somebody give birth to a beautiful baby like this and abandon her? How could? Oh, what has life turned to in this our country? Eh? You know what? I'm going to take this baby to the station, right? I'll take her to the station and then I'll report this case officially. So, and then we arrange how to take care of her. I can't leave this baby here and walk away. No, I cannot. You know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but before then, I have to show evidence of this. I'm a police officer, so we always work with evidence and exhibit. Alright, so I have to snap the baby at the dustbin. And you people too who are part of... No, why not? Why not? You are here. You are here. Come and show your face. No. You must do it. Yeah. Okay. I'm actually having a selfie of myself and you people. Look at it. Alright. So we're all here doing this, eh? And the baby too. Right. Okay. So I'm taking the baby to the police station. Don't worry. The baby will be safe, All right, baby. Oh, she's so beautiful. Oh, yeah. Wow. All right. So you can go to your separate houses. I'm taking the baby to the police station, okay?
Okay, which police station they carry and they go?
No, police station. Metro police station. Okay? I'm going back to my... You don't know Metro police station? You don't know? Who was asking? You want to come along with me? Come along. Oh, you don't want to come. So what were you asking?
I don't follow you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Open that. I won't follow you.
My brother, that's why I say I'm today. People are wicked.
So, yes, people can actually dump their baby in a dustbin.
We have seen worse cases here, far worse cases. You know, girls flushing their babies down the drain and all kinds of things.
What? Yes, it happens everywhere.
My main concern is to make sure that the baby is safe and sound, you know, and has a home. Okay? You needed to have seen people gather, snapping photographs, doing video, and uploading on the internet.
You can imagine that.
How good? Instead of assisting the poor baby. It's not right at all. It's not right.
Sir, you are a good man. I mean, it's people like you we need a position of leadership in this country.
Exactly.
Yes.
Well, that's what it takes to be a good citizen. That's why we're police officers.
Yes.
We must lead by example.
Example, yes.
Go ahead and sign. That's all right. Please file this. File it.
Yes, sir.
No, it's very, very important. I have to go now. You know, I was on my way. I had already signed out before I saw this. I had to come back.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. All right. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir. Okay, take care, sir.
Yes, sir. Our baby.
I don't understand.
On my way back from office, I saw people gathered at a dustbin, and they were looking at this girl. Somebody abandoned this baby at the dustbin. So I took the baby. It's a girl. I brought her home.
Are you serious?
Yes.
What's this world turning into?
I wonder. People were busy snapping photographs, taking videos, and be posting all over the place instead of helping the baby.
Can you imagine?
So I chased all of them out, and then I carried the baby.
Tony, don't you think this is risky?
No. I took the baby back to my office at the station. So I incidented the case and then put up a short agreement that the baby is in my custody. So we're safe.
No. And I'm not comfortable with this. So. Don't you think you should take this baby to the motherless baby soon?
I thought about that too, but I felt there's no need. You know, we have all it takes to take care of this baby. So why take her to motherless baby? So besides, I have evidence of this whole incident. Look at it now. Look. I snapped the whole situation. Look at it. All the people gathered, the crowd, the dustbin, you know. And then so even videos, look at this one, the video of the whole incident when the baby was at the dustbin.
Honey, what if something happens to this phone tomorrow? I'm not praying for anything bad to happen. But you know anything can happen at any time. And if anything happens to this phone, the whole information will be lost. What do we do then?
I understand you perfectly well, and I have thought about it. You know what? Immediately after now, I'll change and go to the photo studio. There they will print out these photographs. I'll put them in a file and keep them somewhere for the future. With that, there's no worry at all. It's concrete evidence anytime, any day. I picked this baby from the dustbin, and the baby is under my custody. And my beautiful wife is taking care of her. So, honey, there's nothing to worry about. Absolutely not. Okay? I was just worried about you, whether you will accept the baby, that's all. But here you are, I mean, you're with the baby already. I'm so excited. At least I saved the baby.
Honey, I'm not comfortable with this. But I can't. Let me go and feed this baby, then run her a good bath. Then later in the day, you take her to the hospital. Let's find out if she has contracted any disease.
Oh, that's so nice of you. That's why I keep loving you. You're so kind-hearted. So caring. I'm so happy to hear that.
Don't start with your romantic conversation because I'm not in that mood now.
You have to be in the mood.
You are who?
That is what you signed for. That's what you signed for. We're getting there. Very, very soon. Sweetheart, there's something very important I want us to discuss. I want you to promise me that you will see this new baby as your own child, as our own, even after you must have delivered our own biological child.
Are you scared I would maltreat her tomorrow?
No, I haven't said so, but I'm just trying to play safe, I just want to make assurance doubly sure, alright? So that we won't have stories that's touched tomorrow. I'm not doubting you, but I just want assurance. So, on that basis, I want you to swear by this Bible that you will love and treat this baby as your own biological child.
My love, do I really need to swear with the Bible? I promise I'll treat her right, like our own biological child.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, my love. Take my word for it.
You know the kind of things that happen these days, the kind of stories we hear, women beaten up and even pouring hot water, pouring hot oil, even killing children because they don't belong to them.
But you know I'm not like that.
Yeah, no, it's all right. It's all right. I take you by your words.
Thank you.
I take you by your
Thank
words.
you.
I can't wait to have our own baby.
It might even be a boy.
A boy? That would be wonderful. Boy or girl, I'll be very happy.
Really?
Whichever. Yes.
Okay.
They're all gifts from God. Wow. You're such a That's why I love you so much. You're such a wonderful, special, kind-hearted woman.
Thank you. Thank you.
Come on. I love you so much. Alright. Come on. Yeah. Let me run along.
Oh, okay.
They're already calling me at the office. Eh? If there's any issue, you know what to do. You just give me a call. All right?
Oh, baby.
Baby.
Please come back on time, okay?
Oh, definitely.
You know you have to take the baby to the hospital today.
Sure.
And you know I've not been feeling too well since last night.
Oh, yeah.
I told you,
Yeah.
I think I need to go to the hospital too.
Okay. I think it's normal. We're getting very close. What was the date the doctor gave us again? I think tomorrow or next.
Sometimes you know the date is not always correct.
Of course, yeah, I understand. It's always plus or minus.
Yeah.
All right, so let me run along, okay? All right, baby. Not baby. I see you there. What? Is it coming?
I think so.
Eh? Yes. Come. Let's go inside. You sit down, and then I arrange things and come, please come. Come. Doctor, how's my wife and the baby?
Oh, God is good. Yes. Congratulations. Your wife gave birth to a bouncing baby girl.
Oh, thank God.
God is good.
And you have a sister now. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay. Can I see my wife and the baby now?
I'm sorry. The baby is fine. But your wife didn't make it.
What?
I mean, she died after giving birth to the baby.
No! Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that, doctor. No. I'm sure you're lying. No. This is a prank, is it not? Isn't it?
I'm not lying. I mean, she died as a result of seizure. I mean, only God knows why. They can't.
My wife died?
God knows all.
Doctor, she said my wife died for real?
Officer John, God is God.
No. I don't believe this. I don't believe this. Tell me it's not true, please.
Officer John, take hands.
My wife Felicia died.
God is God.
My wife Felicia died?
Take heart, Officer John. Please, sit down. Huh? Sorry.
Sorry, Erica. Sorry. Angel. Oh, my daughters. My beautiful daughters. Your mother has left us. Left us heartbroken. Sorry, Erica. Sorry, okay? I'm here for you. Daddy's here for you, okay? I Don't worry, baby. I'm going to take care of you, okay? Where do I even start? Let me take care of you. Erika, sorry, okay? Don't worry, I'll take care of both of you. I'll give you my best, eh? Oh, my baby, eh? You grew up in love and unity, okay? As sisters, right, eh? Daddy is here, I'll give you everything you require. You understand me? Oh, Angel. Erika, sorry, you miss money. I'm here, Daddy is here, okay? Oh, Felicia, why did you do this? Oh, Beth, what did I do to you? Why did you take my wife away? Sorry, baby, sorry, Angel. Erika, please stop crying, Your mommy left us. I'm so heartbroken, but I'll make sure you people are fine. Both of you, I'll give you all my love, all my time, all my energy, everything that I've got. Make sure you grow up happily, okay? Stop crying, baby. Stop crying. Okay, join your sister, eh? Oh, sisters love. Sisters love sister. Oh, what a beauty. Oh my God. Oh my God. And Erika, 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 and Erika.
Lovely sisters, they love themselves. Oh, lovely sisters, lovely sisters, Fafula Wefananya, they care for each other. Their love is super. Erika one more, I love you so much. Angel one more, I love you so much. Erika one more, I love you so much. Angel one more, I love you so much. Erika one more, I love you so much. Angel one more, I love you so much.
Angel! Angel!
Oh, my sister. I'm a little one. One
What did you go to now? Now, I wanted to scare you to be don't scare us like that next time. No, why would that scare me? Break my heart. No. How could you do that? You did.
You're not supposed to wash plates. No. You're my elder sister now. What did you say? Let me wash the plates.
With just 4 days?
Oh.
My sister, age has nothing to do with this. Let me wash it. I want to wash the plates.
Okay, you know what? Go and do the cooking. That's what we're supposed to do together. Let me wash the plates.
No. So see how we're going to do it. Allow me to wash the dishes. When I'm done, we'll cook together. Is that fine?
Yes. And then we'll do our assignments together.
Of course.
You help me solve my maths while I'll help you write your literature.
Someone is trying to run away from logarithm of the table because I know it's very difficult for you to solve. But do not worry, my sister. We will solve the maths together and we'll do the literature together. Because you know I am good with literature and mathematics. So you've got to learn. Someone should just rain praises on me. I mean, can I be called Chika Obi of our town?
Okay, you are the Chika Obi of our town.
Hey, coming from you, I love you even
I love you too.
Papa, once I'm done with this, I'll start cooking.
That's all right. I like what I'm seeing, eh? Yeah, keep it up. I like the way you girls relate. That is very good. Good girls, huh? Keep it up.
Alright, let me quickly wash it.
Okay, let me just go and check the food on the fire.
Alright. Or you prepare the firewood.
Let me start doing that.
Lovely sisters, they love themselves. Oh, lovely sisters, oh. Lovely sisters, Fafula Wefananya, they care for each other. Their love is super. Erika one them all.
Eat your food. Erika will join you soon.
Papa, don't worry, I wish she went to get water.
She'll get cold. Doesn't matter. Start eating. When she comes, she will join you. I mean, it doesn't.
Erika! What?
I'm coming now.
Why are you wasting time now?
Start eating. She will join you.
Who kept you now?
Sorry, I'll wash it.
Thank you.
Oh, my
Who
sister.
washed this? Yes, sir.
So both of you cannot eat without each other, eh? Is that what you're saying?
This one. She will start crying. Yeah, I finished the first. I finished the meat. I don't have her time.
But the liar, she's the one that normally cries. She'll be saying, don't finish the food though, don't finish the food though, forgetting she's my elder sister.
Eh? Who is going to cry?
You now.
Did you just say that? Why are you lying now? But are you trying to say I'm the one that cries?
Yes, now, you always cry a lot.
Hey! Liar!
Hello. Table manners. That's what I taught you. You don't talk when you're eating. So eat your food.
I will say you should cook now. You go and put more pepper or more salt.
I can cook.
No, you did it together. That is the advantage of unity. Because you prepare this food together and it's wonderful.
But I really tell you, no, she was not there.
Sorry, I am breaking the table manners. Eh? Sorry. Eat your food.
Why did you eat the meat?
Why did you eat it now? Eh?
Why did you collect the meat? It's just one meat.
But there's another one inside.
You would
That
have
one
split
now.
it to two now. It's just it's
No,
no
there's
meat
one.
now.
There's one.
It's no meat.
No,
The
no.
meat I ate alone.
It's okay, it's okay. Have this one. Have this one. I can sacrifice mine for you.
Papa's giving us meat.
Let's share this one now.
Share what?
Angel.
Erika. Angel.
Papa.
I called for this special meeting between father and daughters to discuss a very important topic. We have discussed this thing before, but I want to re-emphasize it. I want both of you to continue to love each other like you've been doing all along. It pleases my heart. I don't ever want anything to come in between both of you. And I want you to watch each other's back. Be there for each other. Anytime, any day, anywhere. Okay?
Papa, you have absolutely nothing to worry about.
Yes.
Erika and I have always loved each other. We have always been there for each other. And I promise you something, Papa. Nothing in this world, nothing can ever come between us.
I'm so happy to hear this.
Papa, Angel is right. The bond we share is very strong.
Very strong.
Yes.
Like super glue. I am so happy to hear this. So happy. Please make sure that going forward, there will be no complaints. You know, the usual young girls thing, boyfriend, boyfriend, this one, whatever you need, I can afford, I'll provide them, okay? No quarrels, no complaints, okay?
No problem, Papa. But you know we have not complained to you before, have we?
No, honestly, I have not. But I just want to make sure it doesn't happen.
Aye. Chai, Papa, you're very funny. Angel is my only sibling and my only sister. The bond we share is very strong that nobody can separate us.
This gladdens my heart. It really gladdens my heart. Thank you, I'll leave you. I just wanted to have the reassurance, okay? Have a good time. All right. Let me have some rest, and we'll have dinner in the next 2 hours. Okay?
Yes. It will be ready by then.
All right.
Go and bring the Ludo. Where did you keep it? Okay, I'll bring it.
Do you know where you kept it?
Yes, of course. Bring it. I'll play you.
Me, I will win you.
Months.
Hey, you.
Wait now.
You that will start begging me very soon to pity for you. Begging me 200 naira.
What are you doing? Same money Papa gave us to fetch water with. That's what you're buying sweets. What will you tell Papa?
Don't worry, when we get to the ball, I will tell the man that Papa said we should buy the water on credit. When he sees him, he will pay.
No, that's a lie now. That's a lie. That's not fair now. Papa did not say that. Why are you lying again?
Are you going to expose me to Papa?
Eh? What if he sees Papa and says that he's going?
Don't worry, everything is important. Take it sweet now.
Angel and Erica. How are you girls doing?
We are fine. You did not come as promised.
I'm sorry. I was busy with house chores, but I promised to come this evening.
That's what you always say. Anyways, don't bother coming. We'll see you in school tomorrow.
Erica, you are so blunt. Are you saying I shouldn't visit you girls again?
Hey.
Visit us, don't mind that.
I never said so. Did I say anything like that?
You did not come, don't worry.
Queen Erica. It's okay. I'll see you girls in school tomorrow.
Don't worry, go. We'll see you tomorrow.
Are you pushing your friend?
See you.
See. I'm not happy about this.
What was?
About what you just did.
Are you going to expose us to Papa?
Not exposing us to Papa. When we get there now and the man refuses, what are we going to do?
Just keep your mouth shut. I will handle it.
We don't have even a drop of water in the house. I'm talking and you're raising you.
Let's lick sweet first.
I will not open this sweet until we get there first. We might return it. Don't open your bowl.
We will not return it.
Let's move. No, don't try to open that. Don't open it.
Angel, come with me.
I hope there's no problem.
Come with me now.
What is it?
Chioma is beating Erica.
What? Beating my sister?
Beating her is an understatement. She's feeding her with sand.
Chioma, where? Is she mad? Chioma, what? Beating my sister. Run, man. Run. I'll show you Erica.
Leave me alone. I want to see that. Stop it. Say your
God! If you don't leave me alone,
I want to see alone.
Call your father. If I get up from here,
come on, get up from there. You know what is what? What is that? Don't touch me. See. No. Peter. Catch her. Peter. Next, Peter.
I will kill you. Know that you have leprosy, eh? Kill her. Try it again. Get my school bag. Get my school bag for me. Hurry. Tell her you will never try it again. Idiot. Run from here. I say run me.
I say run. You call your sister, Abi.
Eh? She's still talking, oh.
I talk now. Trust here.
Just leave her.
You say you be woman, Abi. See her.
Leave her, let's go.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Come. He's coming. You dey follow them. You follow them, Abi. He's coming. You see them here. Come on, to here. Come on. Kill her! You want me to kill you? Kill her! You want me to kill you now? Kill her! Leave her, let's go, leave her.
I'm just leaving you because of God. You're opening your mouth talking.
No.
Wait, you don't even have strength.
Leave her.
Don't mind that.
This one, they have killed her.
Mommy, you. Okay, no problem now. I know I go catch you. Good thing. That way they find you go see her. That thing.
nonsense that? Eh? Who is the idiot that did this to you? Who?
Papa, it's Mazi Okoro's daughter.
Mazi Okoro's daughter? Onayara. Is she mad? Eh? You mean you did nothing to her and she pounced on you and did this to you?
Papa, I didn't do anything. That girl is very troublesome. She's always looking for trouble. Everybody knows.
Inspector John's daughter? Is it because I am retired?
That idiot thinks I would watch her beat my sister up like this. That will never happen again. You see, this event that took place today will never ever happen again. Sorry. This place is spinning. We forgot, Papa. Wait, what did you say you did?
A fracture or something? No.
Don't worry.
No, this is not a simple matter.
Papa, please. I don't want you to stress.
Angel, you are the one who...
Just leave this for me. Leave it for me. Let her try it again. Let's try her also. Let.
I'll get her arrested immediately.
No.
I'll get her arrested. Put her behind bars.
You have me here. You seem to have forgotten that I have single bone. I would sort her out. You see, for this thing that she has done, she will regret it. Because she cannot do this to my sister and go scot-free. She will have me to contend with. Don't worry, Papa. No. I need to do this because if I don't do it now, it will swell. She's begging me.
Angel, you are the one holding me back. Otherwise, it will just take me a phone call. I'll get that up. Anyway, I'll see the father. I'll see the father tomorrow morning. Okay.
Sorry. I assure you that this will not happen again. I will put a stop to it. You will not believe the history assignment our history teacher gave us today in class.
Tell me about it. I might be of help.
No, this one is above you.
What do you mean?
He said I should go and write the history of my village.
Oh? That's huge.
I'm sorry. You mean your teacher, our teacher, asked you to write the history of your village? Okay, Ngwanu. Angel, over to you.
Simio, how am I supposed to know the history of our village? I don't know.
Aren't you your father's first child?
You should know. Must every first child know the history of their village?
Yes, that's why you're the first child.
How old am I? No, I don't know.
Angel, you should know.
I'm not age mates. She's saying I should know. I don't know. Must I know everything? Yeah.
You know what? It's not a problem. See what I'll do. When I get to the house, I'll check Papa's drawer and check all the documents in the drawer. I will definitely see something that is related to the history of our village. I'll get something to write about our village. Don't worry.
But why would your teacher tell you to write?
I don't even understand. As if she can tell the history of our own village.
You that does not even know.
Why I don't know A? Come on.
No. I know A. I'm trying to be sincere. You are lagging behind, my sister. Okay, no. Recite state and capital.
Abia. Adamawa. I'm not finished now for me. Akwa Ibom Meduguri.
You are started the table.
How you will write the history?
Am I not on point?
No. Don't disgrace me like this now. Please.
I say Akwa Ibom Meduguri.
Hey! Let this be between us. Let's not go away from me. Don't worry, let's go home.
Erika, it's in Pataka.
No, but we will break that book to check. I know what's in the talk.
Erika, it's balling.
I say Abia is Adamawa.
Hey! Stop saying.
I'm very sure of what I'm saying. Now this one I am so sure.
Hey!
You are sure? Bombe.
2 times 2.
Now 4 now.
Lovely sisters, they love themselves. Oh, lovely sisters, lovely sisters, Fafula and Wefananya, they care for each other. Their love is super. Erika one them more. I love you so much. Angela one them more. I love you so much. Erika one them more. you so much. Angel one name I love you so much. Erika one name I love you so much. Angel one name I love you so much. Lovely sisters, they love themselves. Oh, lovely sisters, oh. Lovely sisters, Fafula and Wefananya, they care for each other. Their love is super. Erika one name, I love you so much. Angel one name, I love you so much. Erika one name, I love you so much. Angel one name, I love you so much. Erika one name, I love you so much. Angel one name, I love you so much. My sister, I'm a little one name, loving you is more than a gift that I will give to you. One name, it's a lifetime commitment, from me to you. One name, I will keep your heart unbreaking as long as I live. I will always be by your side. One and more. I love you so much. Angel I love you so much. 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 I love you so much.
Angel is not your father's first daughter. And you have been giving her all the respect as the first daughter, as your elder sister.
My friend, my father kept this as a secret from me.
Hey! Rebecca, you have to act fast about this. Like seriously, you have to act and very fast about it.
What do you think I should do?
Are you asking me? Give her war in that house. Frustrate her life. Take away her peace. Make her understand that she does not belong there. Listen, Erica. If you don't do anything about that, all the love, the care, the attention that your father is supposed to give to you will be given to her.
Aru. Chisom, I think you are right. Do you know since we were small, whenever my father buys anything for us, he tells her to choose first as the other? I'm telling you.
As if I'm a prophetess. You see? Did you tell me this earlier? No, but I've seen the angle things are going and I know this will happen. It has started happening already and you don't want to do anything about it. Nah, if you do nothing about this, even your marriage rights will be given to her by your father. Yes. When she wants to get married tomorrow, your father will buy her plenty gifts and you will be left with nothing. In fact, I am 110% sure that she is your father's next of kin in his pension right. His gratuity, his death benefit, and his retirement benefit. Anything at all that has to do with your father belongs to her.
Mbanuna.
Listen, if your father dies tomorrow, the Umunna will call her. She will be the one to tie George and carry your father's picture and be dancing. People will be spraying her. She will be getting gifts. She will be getting all the love as your father's first daughter. While you will be left with nothing. You will be behind as a slave. Yes. And Umuada, early in the morning, they will call her out. Abo Kilikili. She will be in their midst to dance. They will spray her money. A welly tea and bread. She will be treated as the first child. Meanwhile, it is your right. Act, Erica. Do something else.
Jesus. Jesus. Hey! Over my dead body will I allow this happen? It will never happen, not when I'm alive. Cherukwao, this useless angel left her father and came to my father's house to dominate. She came to dominate me and my father, forming Ada of the house when I'm supposed to be the one to be bragging as Ada Nerukwano.
As the only child. You are supposed to be bragging as the only child. Your father is supposed to be pampering you. He's supposed to carry you as an egg. But no, he's showing all that love to Angel.
Do you know since we're small, if they give us meat, Angel will take the bigger share of the meat. They will give me tiny one because she's Ada.
Hey!
When I'm actually the Ada, the real Ada of the house.
Hey! Do you know that she's just like a thief? She has come to steal your birthright.
In fact, all this while, she knew she's not the biological daughter of my father. She has been pretending. I think so.
Very poisonous human. It's possible.
That's why every small thing she will tell me she's older than me.
Oh.
If I don't act, call me bastard.
I trust you. Once you get home, start with the action.
I'm acting already.
Give her war. Make her regret her life. Make her regret her existence.
Chisom, thank you for this information.
You're welcome.
I'm going there now. If I get to that house, I will frustrate Angel until she will pack her things and leave that house. I will finish her.
You need to.
Hey! Angel!
Remember, if you don't act, some other will make tea for her.
I am acting already. Thank you for this information. I'm acting already.
I'm sure that land that is by the West Palace, your father has given it to her. I am 100% sure. I'm very sure. He's... Hey! Make sure you act very...
Angel! 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 I'm talking to you! Angel! Angel, come here! See, you're not going anywhere if you don't go in there and arrange my room. Go and arrange the room, my friend.
What is wrong with you? Sorry, did you say arrange your room? I don't understand it. Since when did we start having separate rooms in this house?
Since when I realized you don't belong in this house and you don't have a space in this place.
What? What did you just say? That I do not have a place in this house? What's the meaning of that? Erica, what has come over you? This is not you that I know. What is it?
Why are you asking a dumb question? Go in there and arrange the room, my friend, in Apuala.
Erica, if you touch me, I've been keeping myself. I've been trying to cool my temper, but you do not want to allow me. Erica, if you touch me one more time, I will hit you so hard.
You will hit me?
I will hit you so hard.
Try it. I will smash your head on this wall. You don't know me, oh. You don't know who you are dealing with.
You try to touch me again, I swear I will give you the beating of your life.
I will kill you with my bare hands. I will squeeze life out of you.
You think you can?
Yes!
Touch me.
I said come back here. I'll pray. If you touch me, if you touch me one more, what will you do? If you touch me one more, what will you do? Are you mad? I will touch me again. See, touch me again now. Just touch me again. Very careful. Touch me now. I'm leaving you. You leave me who? Angel, I'm leaving you. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Let me kill you now. Are you mad?
Papa Perogi chukwu Erika Manekwense chukutego n'isigi Inemekwalu Perogi Erika Manekwense chukutego n'isigi Inemekwalu Okwa Perogi chukwu Erika Manekwense chukutego n'isigi Inemekwalu Erika mama Manekwense chukutego n'isigi Sepaka nubo ukone Manekwense chukutego n'isigi Inemekwalu Wapaka nifojo Manekwense chukutego n'isigi Inemekwalu Ifi mere chuoyi imekwosa Manekwense chukutego n'isigi Inemekwalu Ikana wadikwagi nima Manekwense chukutego n'isigi Ikana wukwagi Demon has entered you, Erika. You have sold your soul to devil.
Erika, why do you have to lock the front and the back door? Why? Please, can I have the keys? I want to go inside.
No, I'm not giving you the key. I have told you countlessly that you don't have a space in this house. You don't belong here. The only reason I will give you this key is if you will go inside, pack your things and get out from this house. Because you don't belong here. You don't have a space here.
Meaning what? What has come over you? Chukwu Erika, I ask, what has gotten into you? What has taken over you? What is all this? I have called you countless times and I've asked you if there's anything I've done wrong, any way I've offended you without even knowing, tell me and I will humbly apologize. but you have refused to say anything. Why are you being mean towards me? How sudden have you forgotten how we've been doing in this house? Where did I ever go wrong? Of what use will it be to you if I pack my things and leave my own father's house and leaving you all by yourself to stay here? I don't understand. Let me tell you, I am not ready for all of this. And if they sent you to me, go back and tell them that you did not see me. Just quietly hand over those keys to me. Let me go inside the house.
Wait, you said father. Which father? You are a bastard.
Are you mad? What?
Are you stupid? Eh? Are you mad?
Are you mad? How dare you? Are you stupid? Are you stupid?
No, wait.
Something wrong with you.
Wait.
If you insult me one more time, I will beat you mercilessly. You will collect more beating. Not minding that father is here.
You beat
Angel.
you.
More.
Try it first.
Father.
You want to?
Look at this one.
You want to kill your sister? What's up?
Yes! This girl is being very, very stupid. She'll be talking to me anyhow. She'll be insulting me, calling me all sorts of names. What did I ever do to her?
Am I lying? Is my father your biological father?
What?
Mother, answer me.
Erica, shut up! Shut up there! What nonsense are you blabbering about? Who is not her father? What are you saying? Have you gone nuts? Are you drunk? How can you be talking to your sister like that?
Which sister? Eh? Papa, she is not related to me in any way. We are not same blood group. We don't act the same. She can never be my sister, Papa.
Erica, shut up! Shut the hell up! What are you saying? Are you alright? Your own sister, you're saying things like this?
Papa, tell her the truth now.
What truth?
You are an honorable man, a respected police officer. Look her in the face and tell her that she is not your daughter. She is not my sister, Papa. Why are you pretending? Tell her the truth. Ogini.
What?
Papa.
What has happened to your sister?
Papa.
Angel.
What is going on here?
I don't...
What did Erica just say?
That's what I'm asking.
Are you not my father?
How can you say that?
Am I not your biological daughter?
Angel. Even you, how can you be saying something? I am
Papa,
saying that
please.
she is drunk.
Look me straight in the eyes and tell me that you are my father.
Yes! Your sister is drunk. Something is going on here. What happened to you? Did they use you for money ritual or something?
Me?
Drunk? How can you be saying my own daughter is no longer my daughter? Are you alright?
Me, man. Breeze don't blow. Firewash don't open.
Don't listen to her. She's talking nonsense. She is drunk. She's on drugs. And I'm sure this guy has started taking Nkurumini. You are my daughter. Angel. My first daughter. How can anybody be saying this about you and your belief? How can you believe such a thing? You're breaking my heart. You're breaking my heart. Angel, you're my daughter. I don't know. Please don't listen to her.
My sister.
I don't know. Please, don't listen to her. You're my daughter. It's okay. Nothing happens to you. You're my daughter. Anytime, anyday. You're my first daughter. You're the heir to whatever I own. You. Yes. Thank you.
What happened to the food I left in the pot before going to school in the morning? Erica, what happened to the food I left in the pot before going to school?
The food is finished, so be it.
I don't understand. What do you mean, so be it? I don't want to talk too much. I made that food myself. And I knew how full that pot was before I left for school. So can you begin to talk right now?
Are you deaf? I said I ate the food.
Shut up! How can you tell me that you ate the food?
Okay.
How can you finish that pot of food alone?
It's alright.
I will ask you for the very last time, Erica. Where is the remaining food?
Ate the food. What are you going to do about it?
What is going on here? What again? What again? What is this commotion about?
Papa.
Ogini.
Papa.
Yes.
You saw the food I made before leaving for school this morning.
Yes,
you saw how big it was.
Yes.
The pot was still very full, which was supposed to go round again in the afternoon.
Sure.
Now, on getting back, I went to the pot. Not just that there is no food, not even a grain of rice is remaining in that pot. And I asked her. She said she ate the food. But I know Erica cannot finish that chunk of food alone.
That's not possible. That is not possible. Erica, what are you talking about? How could you say you finished that whole pot of food without your sister? What happened?
Papa, I dished the food, took it to school and gave it to my friends. We all ate the food together.
What?
Erica, you did what? No, I want to understand. You did what, Erica? You took the food I made for the family, for everyone here, to your friends in school. And you ate without remembering your sister. Your own sister, Erica. You didn't care about